One of the type of non-probability sampling is convenience sampling. Let's discuss this topic by answering these questions. What is convenience sampling? Why and when is it used? And how is it applied? Convenience sampling is one type of non-probability sampling. Non-probability sampling means the way the sample is chosen or taken from the population doesn't have equal chance from all of the members or the elements of the population. Doesn't have equal chance to be included as the sample when they are taken from the population. This type of sampling technique is also known as accidental or grab or opportunity sampling. And the main point that you have to know when dealing with this type of sampling technique is a sample is selected because it is readily available and convenient to you as the researcher. So that is convenience sampling. The next question is why and when this type of sampling is used. Normally, the researcher conducts a research by applying or taking the sample by convenience sampling technique is when he or she needs to conduct a study quickly. And the other reason of choosing the sample by this technique is when you as the researcher can't get a list of all the members of the population. How this type of sampling technique applied? Well, I have to let you know that taking the sample by this sampling technique, the point is it is convenient on you. Okay, it is convenient on you as the researcher. So, for example, here is a research question. What are the students' point of view of a school? So, in obtaining the data or collecting the data from the sample, okay, just think where, okay, the place that you can get or meet the students that is convenient on you. So, for example, perhaps you may collect the data in the school entrance, okay, or in the school's canteen, in the school's bus, or wherever it is. It means you like it and it is convenient on you. Well, this type of sampling technique is very simple, cheap, okay, and that is convenient on you, okay, as the researcher. But the disadvantages of this research, the result is biased. It means because we cannot say that the sample represents the population. And that's it, okay? This is one type of non-probability sampling. So, that is confidence sampling. See you in my other English learning videos, especially relating to research. Tata.